So we promise, together with our team, that as much as we can in the trials of this in different places all over the world. And so, right now, this is our first time here in the cargo. To see all of you guys here.
Such a heartwarming answer, Pablo. Thank you for answering that question, and thank you, Eugene, for giving us that question. Now, to QCAS for our next question.
Hello, yes, Minaki. Welcome to Doha, by the way. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, my question would be for the 18 fans as well. After yung mga 18 fans namin. And the question goes this way. 18 are the seven most passionate fans in the world. What's a fan moment that truly touched you?
Actually, today, seeing you guys today here, this is the first time we're seeing you guys here tonight. We're very happy and we're very touched to see you guys here tonight. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. We know that tomorrow is the concert day, pero you are here tonight to show and to welcome us here in Doha. And I think every time we perform or we share the stage with 18, that's already special. And especially tonight, we're very happy and thankful to everyone who's here. And we hope to see you guys tomorrow at our concert. And again, 18, thank you so much. Mahal na mahal namin yung lahat.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, kung matouch ka na tonight, tignan mo bukas kung ano mangyayari.
Let's see tomorrow.
Alright, up next we have here RDTV, the representative of TFC. Your question, please.
Hello, mga Lima! Welcome to Doha! I'm RD from the Filipino channel and the Public TV Network. My question, SB19 has gained massive recognition globally. How do you stay grounded despite your international success?
Of course,